Hey guys, Lech here. Another propane torch review. I did before one from Harbor Freight. I actually wanted to find something more heavy duty that I can beat up more, not worry about it breaking. So I picked up this one on Amazon here. So let me show you how to assemble it and let's test it out. So I'm gonna put a link below in the description if you're interested in purchasing it. But as you see off the top, it's all solid metal construction, metal knobs. Really the only plastic part is the handle here, which is not a biggie. The head, directions, and the hose. So directions is pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go straight to assembly. All metal construction, as it should be. It's the igniter connection here. It does have a built-in igniter, which is a plus. I definitely want that on any torch I'm using. And as you guys can see, the igniter construction feels pretty solid as well. Handle, simple, but all solid. ANBULL is the brand. So we're gonna just put this right on. Sorry guys, it's a little cold, my hands are frozen already. Alright, just gonna slip on the igniter piece. That's what you gotta do. Also connect the hose. What I like already, that it has a thread, whatever, so you can screw it on by hand instead of using a wrench like on the Harbor Freight propane torch I got. And this is all solid, probably brass, so that's a nice plus. It does have a rubber piece here which is going to push against here, so we should be good without any thread locker, but I am going to get some thread locker anyway, so give me one. So basically I'm going to grab some plumbing thread tape to just make a nice secure seal so we don't have any gas leaks. Why take a chance if you don't have to, right? Okay, so our torch is now assembled. Let's plug it up to the propane tank and test it out. This is what I was talking about right here. Nice and easy connection. One tip with propane tanks when you get in for grill, whatever, make sure that this rubber cylinder is nice and fresh, replaced, no cracks in it. Recently picked one up and actually it was leaking, so it can be dangerous even when it's sealed with a little plastic cap. Reverse thread. That's that. Move it over there and we can test it out. So make sure this is closed. It's closed now. No, so that was open. So closed. Okay, got it. So close to the right, loosen it to the left. So we're gonna loosen it a little bit, and hit the igniter. So actually per the directions it said, keep it close to the ground when ignited and it will light up easier, and that's actually what happened. So as you see, it's not igniting, but I put it to the ground. I'm sorry. Lights right up. Definitely got some power. So this is lowest setting. You can control the power just with the knob. the handle. So yeah, it's very powerful. Pretty sure it's stronger than the deluxe Harbor Freight one I got, but I'll put a review to that one as well so you can compare them. I like the build. It's very simple, lightweight. Like I said, the knob here was awesome, and yeah, very nice torch. Should be fun to use. Lights up every time so far. Very cool. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful for you. I'll put a link below. Please subscribe. I got a bunch of other cool videos about how to do stuff and so on. So please follow. Thank you. Oh, and it's stainless steel, 304.